Hi, I'm Bonnie Cha, Senior Editor for CNET.com, and today we're taking a first look at the HTC Touch Pro 2. The smartphone actually hasn't been announced for a US carrier just yet, but since there's been so much interest over the phone, HTC was nice enough to send us an unlocked European model so we could give you a preview. The Touch Pro 2 was first introduced at GSMA in February 2009, and it'll replace the HTC Touch Pro. The first thing you might notice right off the bat is the design. This phone is huge. When you compare the measurements on paper, it doesn't seem that much bigger than the Nokia N97 or T-Mobile G1, but in hand you can definitely notice that it's heavier, and it's not something that's going to easily fit into your pants pocket. The bulkiness of the phone is a bit of a turnoff, but I have to say that it has a really high quality construction and there are some benefits that come with the bigger size. One thing is you get this extra large 3.6-inch touchscreen, and it's really sharp and bright, which makes it great for viewing photos and videos. And the extra room allows you to see more text on screen. Like the Touch Diamond 2, there's also a zoom bar just below the display that lets you easily zoom in and out of the screen without having to tap or go through menus. The Touch Pro 2 also has a tilting screen. You just push the display to the right, and then you can angle the screen so it's easier to view if you have it sitting on a desk or when you're using it to type messages. And speaking of typing, the smartphone has one of the best QWERTY keyboards I've used recently. The buttons are wide and there's a nice amount of spacing between them, so I think even users with larger thumbs shouldn't have problems with this keyboard. On back here, you'll find the Touch Pro 2's asymmetric speakers. The smartphone uses something called straight talk technology, which has advanced noise suppression, so HTC claims that it'll improve the speakerphone quality. And I have to say the speakerphone quality was pretty clear, but I was most impressed at how well I could hear it in noisier environments, which is sometimes a problem. Another cool thing about the product is that when you place the device face down on a desk, it'll automatically activate the speakerphone if you're on a call, so you can have a little impromptu conference call if you need it.
Please select from one of the following 4 options.
The rest of the HTC Touch Pro 2 isn't too different from Windows mobile devices. It uses HTC's TouchFlow interface, and you can now add and remove the tabs on the home screen. And the start menu is also more customizable, and it comes with more user-friendly grid view. You also get the standard messaging features like Microsoft Exchange synchronization and support for POP3 and IMAP accounts, and the Microsoft Office mobile suite, as well as some extra utilities like a presentation app and business card scanner. Wireless options include Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS, but since this is the European model, it doesn't support our US 3G bands. But I'm pretty confident that when the North American versions are announced that this will be added. So with that, all the features, and the smartphone's snappy performance, I think the Touch Pro 2 is going to make a really great device for those power and business users. Haven't heard anything official about which US carriers will offer the HTC Touch Pro 2. But there are rumors that Sprint and T-Mobile will be among them. You can buy the phone now unlocked for around $600 to $700, but I would just wait it out. It shouldn't be too much longer. I'm Bonnie Cha. This has been your first look at the HTC Touch Pro 2.